Hello guys, this week we're gonna cover Verbos En Futuro. This conjugation is a little bit easier in my opinion than the other ones because you get to keep the infinitive form of the verb and then you can add here the ending, so you don't have to take away the ending AR, ER, IR. You just keep it and then you add the ending, okay, for future. So let's get started with some of the verbs. Okay, so let's start with hablar, to speak. Yo hablaré, tú hablarás, él hablará, nosotros hablaremos, vosotros hablaréis, ustedes hablarán, ellos hablarán, ellas hablarán. Okay? Okay. So, comer, yo comeré. So it's the same with the AR, ER, and IR. So there's no difference because you don't have to take the ending. And this one is with the ER. Yo comeré, tú comerás, él comerá, nosotros comeremos, vosotros comeréis, ustedes comerán, ellos comerán. Okay? Okay, so I wrote some sentences for example purposes. Yo comeré en casa mañana. O en la casa, you can say it. El equipo de béisbol jugará en Mariner High School la semana que viene. O la semana próxima. You can say. El autor escribirá un libro de aventuras. Okay? Well, now I'm going to... I know you guys have... Most of you know what these mean, but still write them in your notebooks so you can use them, because we're going to use them. This is going to be the vocabulary, and we're going to use them for composing sentences. You might have to do video this week or next week. I will repeat these just in case you have any doubts with how to pronounce them. Comer, beber, leer, creer, aprender, vivir, sufrir, interrumpir, abrazar, dibujar, enseñar, entrar, escribir, escuchar, hablar, invitar, llegar, trabajar, vender, abordar, bailar, jugar, cantar. Okay? So when can this happen? Todos los días, a veces, algunos días, siempre, casi siempre, nunca, casi nunca, durante. And even though these are in the present, some of them, in the present and the past, some of them I still would like you to copy them in your notebook, because you can use them to compose the sentences. La semana próxima, that's a future one. La semana pasada, past tense. Esta semana, este mes, el mes pasado, el verano, el invierno, la primavera, el otoño. Okay? So you probably get to use these with the sentences that you put together and that I assigned for you. Okay? And if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, this is 30 points. When you write it in your notebook and you take a picture and post it online, make sure you don't leave anything out, because then I would have to take points off. Have a good week.